What is up, you awesome kisters? It is CistReactZ. Before this video starts off, guys, gotta let you guys know that there is a new CistReactZ shirt that is on Teespring right now. Make sure you guys go check it out. Click the link in the description to get 40% off on your purchase. So yeah, and it is made by Carson V from Twitter, so make sure you guys follow him if you had one. Peace out.
Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level.
What is up, you awesome kisters? It is CistReactZ, guys, and welcome back to yet another little review. So yeah, guys, today we're going to be doing a product review on a Bluetooth speaker and a keyboard from Aukey. So yeah, guys, let's get right into this. Holy crap, this is a big freaking package that I got from them. So yeah, thank you from the people at Aukey for sending me this. Alright, here we go. So yeah, guys, I just opened the big box, as you can see right down there. So yeah. Pretty much, as you can see right here, we got the Aukey wireless portable speaker, Bluetooth speaker for short, and we got a mechanical gaming keyboard from Aukey as well. So yeah, I guess we're about to be eyeing all those keys. Let me open these boxes. Alright, guys, we are back. So yeah, I just unboxed the wireless portable speaker. So yeah, guys, as you can see here, the speaker is pretty freaking long. It's cool color, and I just played some music with it, and it's pretty loud. Sounds pretty high quality, if you ask me. And yeah, let's just try out a no copyright sound. Tell me what you think. Alright, okay. Here we go. Hey. So yeah, that's the speaker. Alright, let's go check on the keyboard. Alright, guys, we are back. So yeah, we're here with the keyboard. Don't mind this one. This one belongs to some cool guy, huh? He runs a reaction channel. Anyway, so yeah, guys, this is the mechanical keyboard that Aukey has sent, and clicky for the gamers. Keys are all close together, pretty great for, you know, the gaming community. And yeah, you can see it has like circular keys, like yeah, personally, I'm used to like the, you know, the square keys, but the circle keys are kind of good for like the typing too. So yeah, so for gamers out here, this may be the keyboard for you. You know, for PC gaming and all that stuff. So, yeah, I think that's the keyboard right here. Nothing much to show, but it's awesome. Nothing to show, but it's click-clackiness, and it's, ready for gamer type of thing. So, yeah. And that's pretty much it, guys, for the keyboard and the Bluetooth speaker. So, yeah, guys, if you guys want more product reviews like this, make sure you guys hit the like button, comment below, subscribe for more Come Kister today. And, yeah. Thank you again to Aukey for sending this stuff for me to check out and stuff. So, yeah, anyway, guys, make sure you guys go check out my gaming channel if you haven't. It's in the pinned comments. And it's also in the description below if you guys want to check out that link. Anyway, guys, I'll see you awesome kisters later. Peace out.